on YouTube. So as you see by the title, that I had to take my steering column out because I heard like a knocking every time I turn. So this is what it was. I don't know what it's called, but I know this right here is some kind of bearing, and it's supposed to be sitting down into this groove right here, and somehow it came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that out. All right, YouTube, this is the next day. So I got the part that I needed, and this is like the seal that goes on the steering shaft. I'm gonna show you how it works. This is the locking pin that holds the retainer down. You want to make sure you get this lock pin in there pretty good. Let it focus. There we go. Make sure that get locked in there pretty good. And then on this side. All right, YouTube. So it's been a couple of days. I got the steering column up. It's raining out here. I put this up to stop the rain and the wind and everything. But I kind of had to make do with what I had because it's kind of messy. But I got the steering column up. So let's see if it's gonna start up, and make sure I got everything back plugged in right. Turn the steering wheel and see if I feel that knock, and I don't. So I think that would fix it, and I think we good. I'm gonna show you where it's located at. Right down there on that steering shaft, that's where it's located at. I think we good. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.
Perfect.